will do lesson number 8, our basic needs. So I want you to open your book, The Young Scientist. Okay, so open your book, The Young Scientist. We have already completed 7 chapters. Now we are on 8, the our basic needs. What do you mean by basic? Okay, what is your basic need? The main need to live. Can you imagine what is your basic? What you really want the things to live with it. There are three basic needs which we really want with us. That is house. Okay, I'll write down. First one is food. To live, we need food, shelter. Shelter we can go with house also. The third and the last one is clothes. Now, can you imagine yourself without these three things? Okay, for one day or for one time also, if we don't get the food, we get starving. Okay, we don't feel like, we lose the energy. After 1 hour or 2 hours, we don't feel like to do anything. We just lie down on the bed or the benches. You know, sometimes when you come to school and you don't eat your breakfast properly, and your mother says, please complete the breakfast and go, but you don't feel like sometimes. Okay, when we really don't feel like sometimes, and when we come to school and that's still time for the break time, we start feeling hungry, and what happens then? And we can't concentrate what the teacher tells us. We just feel like to put the head down and sleep. We don't feel like to hear the things which teacher explains us or tells us to do. We don't feel like to write. What we want is just to open our tiffin and eat something. When we eat something, after 1 or 2 minutes, we feel energetic. We feel good. We feel like, okay, I can write now, or I can listen what teacher is telling us. So, food is the basic need for any human being. The second most important is house, shelter. Okay, after playing, after going to school, what you want the most is your house, to go and to sleep or to feel safe. How you feel safe? You feel safe in your own house. Okay, so the second basic thing which we need is house or shelter, and the third comes clothes. We cannot roam like that only without our clothes. So the clothes is the last. First we need food. If I give you clothes and if I don't give you food, is it okay? No. The first main basic thing for any human being to live is food. Okay. After food comes shelter, the house, and the third last comes to clothes. Okay. These are the basic needs any human beings want, the three basic needs. So let's start with the lesson. I am on page number 4343. Lesson number 8, our basic needs. Do you remember what animals need? Write them down here. So now you will write down this question when we complete the full lesson. So start. Like animals, we too need food and a home to protect us. But we need one more thing. So animals need two things. What are the animals do need two things is, this is human beings. Okay. And for animals, food and house, that is shelter. You can't see any animal wearing clothes. Does animal wear clothes? No. So there are two basic things animals need. Okay? There are two basic needs what animals want. They want food and shelter. What human beings want? Human beings want one more thing, that is food, shelter and clothes. So you can write down the answer if the questions come. So do you remember what animal need? The first question, it was food and shelter or house. Whatever you want to write, you can write down. So like animals, we too need food and a home to protect us. But we means human beings. We need one more thing. Do you know what it is? Now you can imagine what is the one more thing we need? That is clothes. Here are things we need to live. We means human beings. We human beings, the basic needs of human beings are three. Food, shelter, clothes. Remember, food, shelter, clothes. So the picture is also given, you can see food, house, clothes. Okay. The first thing, food. Let's go and see. Food is very important for us. As I told you, when you skip your breakfast or your lunch or your dinner or your evening meals also, you don't feel like to do anything. In the evening meals also, you tell your mother, give me something very light to eat. I am very hungry. So your mother gives you something very healthy to eat so that you are back on your energy. So food is very important for us. It gives us energy to do our work and to play. See, when you are not, your mother gives you permission also for playing. But when you are not satisfied with your hunger, you will not feel like to play also. You will tell your mother, first give me something to eat, then only I can go for playing or writing or drawing. So it gives us energy. What gives us energy? Food. Food gives us energy to do our work and to play. Drinks like milk and water. So here are drinks. Don't go for Fanta, Pepsi or Coca-Cola. They are prescribing as drinks like milk and water. Form part of a food. We must drink them every day. So water also is a basic need when we talk something continuously or after some time or moreover in summer we feel very thirsty and we keep on drinking water. So let's turn the page and come to page number 44. Milk makes our bones and teeth strong. Why milk makes us make our bones strong? Because it contains calcium in it, which our bones and teeth need. See, from childhood only, your mama, sorry, your mother forces you to drink at least a cup of milk every day. Why? Because in milk we contain calcium. It is full of calcium. So your bones and your teeth will be very strong. Once your bones and teeth are very strong, you will not feel sick any other time. So our mother forces us to drink milk. Fresh fruits and green vegetables gives us energy. Now what is there in fresh fruit and green vegetables? I know children, you don't like green vegetables, but at least alternate days only you should eat green vegetables and fresh fruits. Why? Because they give us many vitamins and proteins which our body needs. Okay, when you are not complete with your food, with your proper diet food, you sometimes you get rashes or sometimes even you are eating properly, you don't have energy to do work or to do something. Why it is? Because somewhere or the other in our body calcium or vitamins or proteins get minus, so we don't feel like to do anything. So our mother and doctor both prescribe us that keep eating fresh fruits and green vegetables. They keep us healthy and fit. Okay, so this was about the house. Let's see what they were telling. They were telling us we need three basic things to live. Okay, what are three basic things we want? A human being want to live, that is food, shelter and clothes. We understood why we need food. Okay, the first thing we understood, why we need food. We need food because it gives us energy to work and to play. Drinks like milk and water. Okay, drinks like milk and water are part of our food. Okay, it comes in food itself. It is not a different thing that we have to drink any other drinks like Fanta or Coca-Cola. No, milk and water. It is in our basic food need that we have to intake in our daily life. Drinks like milk and water form part of our food. We must drink them every day. Okay, so as I told you, we should take at least a glass of milk every day to complete the power of calcium so that our teeth and bones get very strong. Milk makes our bones and teeth strong. Fresh fruits and green vegetables gives us energy. I know by seeing many children, they see green vegetable in the tiffin, they don't feel like to eat the tiffin. No children, you should eat green vegetables. As I told you, there are many vitamins, proteins which green vegetable contains and which your body needs them. So, if it is not tasty also, just to complete your food diet, please children keep eating green vegetables. They keep us healthy and fit. So, write the name of one thing that you eat for your breakfast. So, we can do this for your homework. You can write down whatever you feel like good for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. So let's move on to the next. It is house, shelter. The second most basic thing for the human being we need is house or shelter. Let's start. A house protects us from bad weather and animals. Okay, we can keep our things safe in a house. Now, what the house help us? How many ways they are telling us? A house protect us from bad weather. What do you mean by bad weather? Okay, when it is a summer season or it is a rainy season, you are having your own house, so you can go in your house and get shelter. Means rain doesn't come in your house because it is covered all. So you are protected from rain. And sometimes when you feel very cold in December, winter season, even the house protectors, you take a blanket and you wrap yourself. The same thing happens in summer when it is very sunny outside and you don't feel like to play outside. What you do, you play indoor games, carrom board, table tennis. All these indoor games you play in summer when it is very sunny outside. So a house protect us from the bad weather and animals too. Okay, when small children are there, they are very scared of dogs, cats, and sometimes they also are coming to bite them. Okay, so a house protect us from bad weather and animals. Okay, weather I explained you, summer, rainy, winter. Whichever weather you are not comfortable, a house protect you from them, and plus animals also. We can keep our things safe in a house. Now, when we are in a house, we need many things. Okay, for example, we need a kitchen to cook the food, we need a bed, we need cupboards to keep our clothes, we need many things in our house. So, when we are having a house, what we do, we lock the door. Okay, when we lock the door and keep the things safe inside our house, we keep we can keep our things safe in house. A house has doors to enter the rooms. Windows allow fresh air and light to pass through the house. Now in this century we are having the light. Before when the light was not invented, how they used to do? They used to make small or big windows so that sunlight can come in, or in the night moonlight can come in and help them. Okay, so with the help of sunlight they can see the things and keep arrange the things according to them. But now we are having so much facilities, because we are having light. So whenever we need light, we can just switch on the button and we can use the light. A house has doors to enter the rooms. Correct? We enter with the help of the door, we exit with the help of the door. Windows allow fresh air. So windows are not only for the light. What are windows for? Moreover, windows allow the fresh air to come inside. Okay, if you sit in a dark room, after sometimes you don't feel comfortable, you feel uneasy. Okay, but if you're sitting for hours and hours in an open window where fresh air is coming and going out, then you can easily sit and study for a long period of time. So a house has doors to enter the rooms. Windows allow fresh air and light to pass through the house. Some of the common rooms in house are, so these are the common rooms which every house has. Rather than this, they can have extra rooms also, but these are the basic needs of the house which we all have. The first one is kitchen. As I told you, kitchen is very compulsory so that you can satisfy your first basic needs, that is food. Second is bedroom, where you can go and sleep and have rest. Third is bathroom, where you can fresh yourself. Fourth is drawing room. Drawing room is not compulsory. Some may have and some may not have. Drawing room is the room where you keep your sofa and TV to spend time with your family and friends. So they have said some of the common rooms in the house are, but the main is kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. These are the three things every house has. Rather than this, they have many things. For example, they are telling us drawing room, dining room, or sports room, any other according to your facilities you make such things. Some may have little garden also. Some may have swimming pool. It depends. So it was about second basic thing that I told you, house and shelter, house or shelter. The first main basic thing of human beings was food. If we don't get food for one time also, we feel energyless and we start feeling like to lie down or unconscious. Many things happens when we starve one time also. Okay, so the first basic need for any human being is food. Second is shelter and house. As we saw, what does the house give us? House gave us shelter, house protects us from animals and bad weather. If there is sunny outside, we can go to our home and sit and lie down and watch TV or play with games or play any more indoor games. Okay, and it also protects us from animals. Okay, and let's go to the third. The third basic thing the human being need is clothes. So come to page number 4, 5, 45. Unlike animals, we need to cover our bodies. Now I told you before only, human beings need three basic things: food, shelter, clothes. But in case of animals, they need only two. What is that? Food, shelter. Okay? Many animals need only two things basic: food, shelter. Not many, sorry children. Animals need only two basic things, that is food and shelter. They don't wear clothes. Human beings need three basic things: food, shelter and clothes. First two we have finished, now we are going on third. Unlike animals, we need to cover our bodies. We wear different clothes in different seasons. Correct? If it is a summer season, we wear cotton clothes. If it is a winter season, we wear woolen clothes. Now what is cotton clothes? You feel like to wear like pajamas and t-shirts in summer because it is very hot in summer. Compared to this, we cannot wear a cotton pajama and a t-shirt in winter. Why? We will feel cold. So in winter, we wear woolen clothes like sweaters and jackets to cover ourselves so that we don't feel cold. So we wear different clothes in different seasons. Cotton clothes in summer so that it keeps us cool. Woolen clothes in winter to keep us warm. Clothes get dirty when we use them. Correct? We can't wear one cloth full 1 month. No. The one cloth, for example, if you're coming to school, school uniform is different. When you go back, your mother washes and keep it clean for the next day. The same thing happens with your normal clothes also. Whatever you wear in the morning, in the night you change for your night dress, and the same thing goes for the washing machine. Okay, so we don't wear one cloth for one complete month or 15 days. We keep changing every day because our clothes get dirty. How our clothes get dirty? Because we go out to play, or okay, you will say mother is not going out to play, but when mother is making food for you, the clothes get dirty sometimes, or sometimes get spreads over there. So we keep changing our clothes daily. Clothes get dirty when we use them. We must wash our clothes to keep them clean. So, okay, everybody should wash the clothes to keep them clean. So, vocabulary: protect means keep safe. Unlike, not like. We need food, house and clothes. The basic needs, as I told you, what is the basic need? We need food, house and clothes. That is food, shelter and clothes. So let's do the exercise. Choose the correct answer to complete the following sentence. Dash give us energy and make us strong. There are 4 options. Let's see. Cloth, house, air, food. The correct answer is food. Food gives us energy and makes us strong. House doesn't give us energy. So the correct answer is food gives us energy. The second we will see, cotton clothes keep us dash in summer. As I told you, why we wear cotton clothes in summer and why we wear woolen clothes in winter. So, cotton clothes keep us dash in summer. The answers are cool, warm, cold, hot. So, the correct answer is cotton clothes keep us cool. Okay, we don't feel like so hot in cotton clothes. Our bones and teeth become strong when we drink dash. Okay, listen carefully. Our bones and teeth become strong when we drink tea, milk, water, juice. Don't get confused in the part of juice. Juice also gave us protein and vitamins, but it never helps our teeth and bones to get strong. So what helps our teeth and bones to get strong is milk, because milk is full of calcium. So don't get children confused in milk and juice. The room where we sleep is the dash. The first option is drawing room, kitchen, bedroom or bathroom. The correct answer is the room where we sleep is the bedroom. Last one, a dash protect us from danger. Now what is the thing which protects us from danger? Watermelon, kitchen, coat or house. The correct answer is house. The last one is match the following. It's very easy. I hope you can do it. Let's move to the C section. Write yes and no for the following. We do not need food to live. So answer is wrong. We need. A house saves us from bad weather. Yes, a house always saves us from the bad weather. We wear clothes to cover ourselves. Yes. We must keep our house clean. Yes. Clothes do not get dirty when we use them. Clothes get dirty. So answer is no. So I hope this lesson was very easy for you. I just completed the lesson number 8. Our basic needs. What are the basic needs for the human beings is food, shelter and clothes, and for the animals it is only 2, that is food and shelter. Children, please keep reading so that it will be easy for you. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.